Yes, 67:6. 67:6.
Remember that in future you must bring the reference as well.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وَلَقَدْ زَيَّنَّا السَّمَاءَ الدُّنْيَا بِمَصَابِيحَ وَجَعَلْنَاهَا رُجُومًا لِلشَّيَاطِينِ وَأَعْتَدْنَا لَهُمْ عَذَابَ السَّعِيرِ. Translation is, and verily we have adorned the lowest heaven with lamps, and we have made them for driving away Satans, and we have prepared for them the punishment of the blazing fire.
Apparently, this verse refers to living beings. But in reality, what you see is that there is a constant rain of meteoroids, etc., heavenly bodies, which are bombarded upon Earth and other satellites, etc. Now, this rain, if it had been permitted to reach the earth, would have destroyed all life. So these are shayateen. Shaitan is the enemy of life, enemy of what God has created. So these showers are burnt before they reach the earth. And you see as if they are being chased by a flame. And that flame is caused because of the stiff atmosphere of the heaven closer to earth, which destroys them and saves the earth or people of the earth from the destruction which may have been caused by them. So this is the true meaning, the real literal meaning of this verse. But also there are some metaphorical meanings. And these two verses of the same nature are found everywhere else. Like you said, hifza.
Yes.
That this system is created for guarding the people living on earth. And secondly, it may be said that whenever a prophet appears, Satans try to mislead others, and there are stars like companions of Rasulullah sallam. You know, the Holy Prophet mentions Ashabi kan-nujume. So they are the stars which follow the satanic attempts of people who try to mislead the followers of Rasulullah sallam or mislead people away from Islam. So the same thing has happened in our time. There are great stalwarts among Ahmadi scholars who follow these and shine like a star when they fall upon the enemies and destroy them. So this is metaphorical.